Dimensions and tolerances. Total Materia provides information on the dimensions and tolerances of standardized materials. In this example, we have chosen a stainless steel from Japanese industrial standards, easily selecting 3 forms to investigate. Each form is headed with a description of the standard, in this case for high-temperature tests. Data for acceptable test pieces and temperature ranges are given. In a standard for bars, however, we are given allowable dimensions and deviations, and even the calculation of mass. In the standard for hot-rolled plates, you'll find width and length along with thickness. Pay close attention to any notes provided. Total Materia includes standards from around the world, collecting them into one source where you can view them in a common format.